Morning, this one is correcting the work of practical research. Sa grupo ni na Cabo, Asparo, Villanueva. Firstly, error dito, the title should be inverted. Inverted pyramid. Hindi siya naka-inverted pyramid. Ano ba na mangyayari dyan? Yan. Inverted na siya. Practical research. No, 2025. Chapter 1. Okay. Si Emily ba apelido? Dapat apelido nakalagay sa citation na. I don't know if itong Emily is apelido or first name. Kasi pwede naman maging family name yung Emily. But to check. Okay. Justified. Background of the study. Ito lahat anyway, lahat ng mga nakapanood na ito, although this one is the group of April and Sophia, yung errors na dito might also be your own error, so you also check. Example ito, baka error siya rin to. The background of the study should be flashed left. Dapat nasa dito yan. Theoretical framework. We have discussed Werbach's example, social exchange theory. So, nakadiscuss. Ngayon, if you will start a new subheading tulad nito, dapat i-leave enough space. Ganun. Output. Masyadong malaking space dito in between paragraphs. Significance. Okay, check baka yung previous paragraph hindi ko na-check. But the intention here, ito tinan to. Itong intention dito, ito tama yan social factors. Diba naka-indent? Masyadong malaki ang intention nyo. Twelve spaces lang ang intention. Pero dito, masyadong marami. Masyadong malaki. 12 spaces lang. Babawasan ang indentation. I-check. Ayun, ang laki ng indentation nyo. So, indentation, i-check natin indentions. Ito, tama ang indentation. Ito, mali. Research methodology. So, indented. Masyadong malaki indentation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ganun lang. Check the indentation. Yung mga explain, baba ng konti. Okay, table 3.2. So don't cut tables. Chapter 4. Indentation. Ito naman, masyadong maliit. Hindi kayo consistent sa indentation. Masyadong maliit naman to. Hindi lang tama. Check the indentions. Ito, hindi naka-indent. Then we are chapter 5. So, chapter 5, kung ilan yung findings nyo. Yung findings nyo ay dapat based sa table Kung ilan yung findings nyo, ganoon din karaming conclusion. Kung ilang conclusion nyo, ganoon karaming recommendations. This one is recommendations. Yung primer nyo, kulang. Dagdagan nyo to. No, siyam lang Yung primer, yung output. Diba ito yung output? Yung output na yan dapat tagalagay sa inyong conceptual framework. Tingnan natin Ito yung inyong conceptual framework. Yung output, mali. Sa inyong output, nakalagay primer, dito guide. So, ano lang, guide ba or primer? Kulang. Masyadong maikli. Ito lang references. Mali. Follow my guide. Follow my guide. My video on how to write the references. Hindi ganito pagsulat ng references. Look at my sample, look at my guide, my video. May sample ako niyan. At meron akong video. Kulang. Wala kayong mga appendices. Ang appendices, di ba? Yung questionnaires, yung tabulation. Tingnan sa doon sa aking guide. Titled is Lesson on References, Appendices, and Preliminaries. Tingnan niyo, meron akong uploaded sample and uploaded video.